road is a thoroughfare, route, or way on land between two places that has been paved or otherwise improved to allow travel by foot or by some form of conveyance, including a motor vehicle, cart, bicycle, or horse. Roads consist of one or two roadways, British English, carriageways, each with one or more lanes and any associated sidewalks, British English, pavement, and road bridges. A bike path, a road for use by bicycles, may or may not parallel other roads. Other names for a road include parkway, avenue, freeway, motorway, or expressway, tollway, interstate, highway, thoroughfare, or primary, secondary, and tertiary local road. Road design is part of highway engineering. Structural road design is designing a road for its environment in order to extend its longevity and reduce maintenance. The shell pavement design method is used in many countries for the design of new asphalt roadsides. Road construction requires the creation of an engineered continuous right-of-way or roadbed. overcoming geographic obstacles and having grades low enough to permit vehicle or foot travel, and may be required to meet standards set by law or official guidelines. The process is often begun with the removal of earth and rock by digging or blasting, construction of embankments, bridges, and tunnels, and removal of vegetation. This may involve deforestation, and followed by the laying of pavement material. A variety of road building equipment is employed in road building. Roads are designed and built for primary use by vehicular and pedestrian traffic. Storm drainage and environmental considerations are a major concern. Erosion and sediment controls are constructed to prevent detrimental effects. Drainage lines are laid with sealed joints in the road easement with runoff coefficients and characteristics adequate for the land zoning and stormwater system.